How Revolut works. Looking for a smarter way to manage money worldwide? Let's break down how Revolut works. Start by downloading the Revolut app. Sign up with your email, verify your identity, and choose a plan. Standard is free, while Premium and Metal offer extra perks. Revolut lets you hold over 30 currencies in one account. You can instantly convert between them at the mid-market exchange rate, saving you hidden fees. You'll get a Revolut debit card, both physical and virtual. Spend globally with low fees or use your virtual card for safer online shopping. Add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay for tap to pay convenience. Send money abroad quickly with transparent fees. Transfers between Revolut users are instant and free, making it perfect for friends or family support. Revolut also offers budgeting tools, saving vaults with interest, and even crypto or stock trading in supported regions. Higher tier plans add perks like travel insurance and lounge access. And that's it. That is how Revolut works.